Alright guys, we got the stunt bars off, stunt cage off. So you can see on that there, those are pretty bent. And then up there it's kind of bent. I don't know if that's just because it's back or whatnot, but got some new ones on the way. And here's the update on taking it all apart. So cage off, all that. Got little scratches from the cage actually on there. It looks a little dented in, so see if maybe someone can't touch that up at work. Something. Got this all disassembled almost. Able to take the rear battery out and all the fuses and stuff. And we're gonna drop the motor, take off the gas tank and all that. So get back to you when that happens. Alright guys, before you take all your wiring harness off and disassemble your bike, you want to have some blue tape and a marker, so that way you can mark each one however you want, A, B, or 1, 2, 3, or if you want to actually name the clip. But that's a big tip. In order to do the wiring harness, make sure you plug everything back in the right way the first time. So we'll check back in with you again. It's going good right now. Got all handlebars off, cage off, got oil drained out, about to do the antifreeze, take the tail off, take all the brake lines off too. Alright guys, so we got the back off, got the throttle bodies out, all that, got most of it all taped up, got a few in here, got to tape up. Also got all the antifreeze out, oil out, drain in here, waiting on that. And then we're gonna pull radiator off, headers off, get the wiring off, and then we're gonna drop the motor. So I'll get back to you when we do that. Alright guys, we gotta hurry this up because it looks like rain's gonna be coming down on us, but got the whole wiring harness off, got the motor left to do. There's like a couple wires over here that I gotta get, I guess. But yeah, got that to go, and after that we can disassemble the whole frame and start cleaning that up and painting. So I'll talk to you when it's all disassembled. Alright guys, so we got the motor all taken out. So it's these 4 mounting brackets right over there, so not too bad. And then you just got to kind of wiggle it out, put it on the tire, and you'll be fine. And then after that, you want to take this bolt out here to separate the swing arm from the frame. You're also going to have to take the spring off, I believe, right here, but I'm not 100% sure. So we'll figure it out, and then we'll get back to painting. Got the cam chain tensioner fixed here. Just had to take the top bolt out here and then loosen this one until you hear it click. And after that, you put both of them back in. Easy as that.
I don't trust nobody, I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody, they can never take the grind. People always switching sides, people always in my line. Never ask me how I'm doing, they just wanna waste my time. So I don't hate nobody, just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights, people always pull me down. Angels told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. So we don't trust nobody, we don't even trust our minds. We're losing everybody, from them drugs to suicide. I was always getting high, never took a look outside. I was living in the dark, thinking I would never shine.